Good morning. I am Devasena. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about kidney and its functions. This topic is present in the subject Medical Electronics. Human kidneys. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs found in vertebrates. They are located on the left and right in the retroperitoneal space, and in adult humans are about 12 centimeters, that is 4.5 inches in length. They receive blood from the paired renal arteries. Blood exits into the paired renal veins. Function of a human kidney. Major function of the kidneys is to remove waste products and excess fluid from the body. These waste products and excess fluid are removed through the urine. The production of urine involves highly complex steps of excretion and reabsorption. Location of kidneys. Kidneys are fist-sized organs shaped like beans that are located at the back of the middle of your trunk in the area called your flank. They are under the lower part of your ribcage on the right and left sides of your backbone. Roles of the kidney: excretion, Homeodialysis, Osmoregulation, regulation of salts in the body, regulation of pH, and the production of a hormone. Functions of the kidney is represented here. The first function is filtration of the blood. Then selective reabsorption by active transport, passive absorption, and secretion. Anatomy of kidney. The kidneys are highly vascular, that is contain a lot of blood vessels and are divided into three main regions. Renal cortex, that is the outer region, which contains about 1.25 million renal tubules. Renal medulla, the middle region, which acts as a collecting chamber, and renal pelvis, the basin-like area that collects urine from the nephrons. It narrows into the upper end of the ureter. Kidney representation is shown here. In this diagram, we are seeing the right side kidney as well as the left side kidney, and we are viewing the outside view as well as the inside view of the kidney. The blue color indicates that impure blood that is carried to the kidney, and the red color indicates that pure blood that is been purified from the kidney. Calyx. Extension of the renal pelvis is called calyx. They channel urine from the pyramids to the renal pelvis. Cortex. The outer region of the kidney is called as cortex. It extensions of the cortical tissue. It contains about 1 million blood filtering nephrons. Nephron. These are the filtration units in the kidneys. Medulla. The inner region of the kidney contains 8 to 12 renal pyramids. These pyramids empty into the calyx. Medullary pyramids are formed by the collecting ducts in the parts of the kidney. Ureter collects filtrate and urine from renal pelvis and takes it to the bladder for urination. Renal artery. Branches of the aorta bringing waste-filled blood into the kidney for filtering in the nephrons. The renal artery is further subdivided into several branches inside the kidney. Each minute, the kidneys receive 20% of the blood pumped by the heart. Some arteries nourish the kidney cells themselves. Renal vein. It removes the filtered blood from the kidneys to the inferior vena cava. The renal system. Kidneys collect the body's waste products and ureters, muscular tubes that transport urine from each kidney to the bladder. Urinary bladder, a sac that collects and holds urine that comes from the ureters. Urethra, a narrow passageway where urine passes from the bladder to the outside of the body called urination. Cross section of the kidney is shown here. In this diagram, we are seeing the kidney cross section where the unfiltered blood in passage and filtered blood out passage as well as urine out passage is represented. And in detail, we are seeing the parts of the nephron. Nephron is the tube that is present in the kidneys. Here, in this, the nephron part is extended and it is indicated in a clear manner. This represents one nephron. In the nephron, unfiltered blood is passed inside, and through this glomerulus, it is being filtered, and the filtered blood out is represented here. And through the tubule, the waste products are separated in the form of urine, and that is passed out. This is represented here. First sign of kidney problems. Signs and symptoms of acute kidney failure may include decreased urine output, although occasionally urine output remains normal. Fluid retention causing swelling in your legs, ankles or feet. Shortness of breath. Acute renal failure ARF. Acute renal failure occurs when your kidneys suddenly become unable to filter waste products from your blood. When your kidneys lose their filtering ability, dangerous levels of waste may accumulate and your blood's chemical makeup may get out of balance. Sudden onset harvest days, often reversible. Severe. Causes of acute renal failure. The causes of acute kidney injury can be divided into three categories: pre-renal, intrinsic renal, and post-renal. Pre-renal. Sudden and severe drop in blood pressure, that is shock, or interruption of blood flow to the kidneys from severe injury or illness. Intrarenal. Direct damage to the kidneys by inflammation, toxins, drugs, infection, or reduced blood supply. Post-renal. Sudden obstruction of urine flow due to enlarged prostate, kidney stones, bladder, or injury. Chronic renal failure CRF. Chronic renal failure or chronic kidney disease is a slow and progressive decline of kidney function. It's usually a result of a complication from another serious medical condition such as diabetes, high blood pressure, or cardiovascular disease. Causes of chronic renal failure. The two main causes of chronic kidney disease are diabetes and high blood pressure, which are responsible for up to two-thirds of the cases. Diabetes happens when your blood sugar is too high, causing damage to many organs in your body, including the kidneys and heart, as well as blood vessels, nerves, and eyes.
Thank you very much for listening this lecture. For further updates, kindly subscribe this channel. If you like this video means kindly share this video to your friends. Thank you.